Hello, you are watching Electrical Tricks. Today we are going to talk about division of voltage, means voltage divider rule, which known as VDR. So if you like our video, do subscribe our channel and tap the bell icon to get our newest video. From our previous lecture, we learned that in series circuit, the current will remain same across each resistor. In this circuit, we have a voltage source and two resistors, and the circuit is grounded. Here flows the total current Is. So what is the value of V1 and V2? To find the value of V1 and V2, we have to know voltage divider rule. From Ohm's law, we know V1 is equals I1 R1. We know current remains same across each resistor, so we can write Is R1. Is is equals E over RT into R1. Similarly, we can write V2 equals I2 R2 equals Is and R2 E over RT into R2. For example, suppose we have a series circuit with 24 volt voltage source and 3 resistors. The circuit is grounded. Here flows the total current Is. Now, what is the value of V1, V2 and V3? We know current will remain same in series circuit. So we can write Is equals I1 equals I2 equals I3. Now we can write V1 equals I1 R1 equals Is and R1. Now we have to find the value of Is. So Is is equals E over RT. The value of voltage source is 24 volt and the value of total resistance is 14 kilo ohm. Now we will use the value of Is, and the value of R1 is 2 kilo ohm. So the value of V1 is 3.428 volt. Similarly, V2 equals I2 into R2 equals Is into R2. Now we'll use the value of Is, 24 over 14, and this is the value of second resistor, 5 kilo ohm, and the value of V2 is 8.55 volt, and V3 equals I3 and R3 equals Is and R3. Now we'll use the value of Is is 24 over 14, and this is the value of third resistor. So V3 is 11.97 volt. So we have another series circuit with 45 volt voltage source and two resistors. Here flows the total current Is, and the circuit is grounded. So what is the value of V1 and V2? In this circuit, the value of R2 is 4 times the value of R1. So the value of V2 will be 4 times the value of V1, and the current will remain same. So Is equals I1 equals I2, and Is will be E over RT. Value of the voltage source is 45 volt and the value of the total resistance is 10 kilo ohm. Now V1 equals I1 R1 equals IS R1. So what is the value of IS? Is 4.5 ampere. Milliampere into 2 kilo ohm. Here 2 is the value of R1 and V2 is 9 volt. Now V2 will be 4 times the value of V1 and the value of V1 is 9 volt. So V2 will be 36 volt.